So before, you know, a couple weeks ago, this was under a roof. This was all under a roof, but that building was jeopardized by the fire, so he had to demolish it. And as you see right here, that was the old water line. So that was our water main before. This right here was the existing water main. Kind of crazy. But we intercepted it where that red box is, so we actually, that water main came through, we intercepted and put a hydrant up to feed that.